Hi there guys, so I've put together a tutorial for our fairer girls out there, and this one is a little bit different because I really do like to apply it in a different order when I am a bit lighter. So I go with the Golden Glow first, just really blending it in. I've only used 3 drops for this, so not as much as usual when I'm tan, so I just sort of alter that and then just make sure it's really rubbed in. As you can see, it's still just that little bit too dark, so I do like to use the White Glow, and I use about 3 drops again, so sort of the same amount, and apply that over the top of the Golden Glow. This just really lightens and brightens it, and I kind of concentrate more around the nose and the forehead, sort of using it like a highlighter. And then I'll just go through with my usual routine, so put a bit of the eye corrector underneath the eyes, and then I don't go back. So I usually start with the amount of product that I start with on the brush, and then I just use that to keep going all over the face. This just helps sort of spread it out, and then I don't end up with that much product, which I like. I like to keep it fairly light so it doesn't go creasy. And I just pop that around the face, highlighting the features, anywhere that I want to give just a slight bit of brightening look. And then I'll go in with the pressed powder. This is really just to seal it. So I find that just by using a powder, it really helps lock in the Pelco products. And then I would get a little bit of blush. I love using a really pink, rosy blush for those days that I am a bit fairer. I don't like to use bronzer at all, as I just find it looks a bit muddy, and I love my highlighter. So I apply these on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, just above my lip, and then I also like to put it on my eyelids. This is just for a look, just to sort of give a little bit more something. I don't always do this. And then of course a setting spray, that just gives a really nice gloss and glistened look to the skin. And I love to glisten when I'm fair. And then a bit of lippy, brows, just really filling them in. And then I love to push them up to give them that real bushy sort of look. Bit of mascara. And I'll just top up the blush if I need to. And that's it, as you can see. So really nice and light, perfect for our fair girls.